Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you with my cue card series. Welcome you to my cue card series, and I'm making these videos for you to achieve 7 band or above in Ielts speaking. The cue card in hand is describe a time when you needed to search for information. Now you will talk about some information, you needed to search for that, and you needed is the second form of the verb. It means this cue card is all past tense. Describe a time when you needed to search for information. You should say what information you needed to search for, when you searched for it, where you searched for it, and explain why you needed to search for it. Now it is not necessary that you cover all 4 points. It is not necessary that you speak in the same sequence. As long as you speak according to the main topic, describe a time when you needed to search for information, it's perfectly fine. And minimum duration is 1 minute, maximum 2 minutes, and then examiner will stop you. So, information has become an important part of our life. And to get the information, the best resource is information technology. Once I wanted to buy a drone and I had no idea which drone I should buy and why should I buy the drone, and I was not clear about that. So what I did, I started getting some information about the drones and the companies that make such type of drones and certain models, and then the information where drones are allowed and where they are not allowed, they are prohibited. So I needed all this information. First, I didn't know how to get this information. I called a couple of friends, but they didn't have any drones and they didn't know about that. So I went to YouTube, and there I watched some videos about different drones, and there I came to know about the company DJI and their drones and how they make their drones and all that. I searched all this information 6 months ago when I returned from a tour, and on that tour I realized my gadgets were incomplete without drone, and drone was the only gadget which was missing, and that was my tour to Kumrat. Okay, well, I searched for it on the internet. As long as I came back, I searched for it on the internet. I went to Google, I went to YouTube, and there I read some articles about drones and all that. Yeah. So Google literally helped me a lot to gather all this information. And then on YouTube, I watched some reviews of the drones. So this information was so crucial for me, because within 3 to 4 days, I had to decide whether I'm going to buy a drone or not. So I needed to search all this information because I wanted to make some videos with drones. As I go out, I have some field trips where I record some videos on Ielts. So I thought drone could be a good idea for that. And right after that, it took me around 3 to 4 days, and I bought my drone DJI, and it was a fantastic drone. Thank you very much. See that, guys? I spoke on this topic for around 2 minutes, can be plus minus, and I created this story. I bought drone, I watched some videos, but 20% it was what really happened, and 80% I exaggerated. So you can always exaggerate, because examiners need good answer. Examiners need interesting answer according to the topic, good vocabulary, variety of ideas, varied ideas and all that, and then you get good band score. So the way I spoke, this speaking can get minimum 7 band, or it can be 8, because my own band is 8 in Ielts. But that Ielts expired long time ago. I took Ielts more than 10 years ago. Yeah. All the best. I teach Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. At the moment, I'm here at a UBA National Forest Park, and the weather is awesome. I'm enjoying here. I wish you best of luck from here. May you get your desired band score. All the best. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.